cute.
Yeah, but
She's been ill.
So are you
Hi,
how are you?
No,
You're the minister?
I'm the official.
You're the official. Okay,
I'm
we
going to
don't
officiate.
He doesn't want to watch.
Great. Keep you from running away.
Oh, Stephanie, I didn't see you. Welcome. How are you? Good.
Got to get all of the different sentient beings.
The shade is coming our way.
Yeah.
Oh, they're ringing the bell.
It's a pretty sad bell. Oh my heavens, what happened to it? It used to be loud.
Can I go pee? He says,
Pal knows better. Going the other way.
Come on.
Run, Pal. Get a room.
You probably don't know what this fun is all about. I can get out of the way.
You don't get married, you just get his brother.
Right behind you.
Okay, turn around, the other end. Good afternoon and welcome to all of you, villagers, invited guests, and of course the happy couple. We are here to celebrate the joining of Gracie and Pal in a happy union. Several days ago I had a conversation with both Gracie and Pal to find out if they were ready for this union, and this is what I learned. Pal says that Gracie is loyal, reverent, brave, and clean. And she has a discerning palate. Pal remembers the day that he met Gracie. He was aware of the fact that a new dog was arriving in the village, and he wanted to be the first one to meet her. So he waited for Gracie outside her new home. When she arrived, it was love at first sight. Pal was so happy that Gracie had moved all the way to Manzanita Village from Tucson. They have been happy spending time together for the past 5 years. Gracie said that Pal is amazing, has a pleasant disposition, he is playful and lovable. And she likes older dogs because Pal is 56 years old in dog years. He is always ready for a new adventure, and he is a garbage hound, eats any and everything he can find. Pal does plan on continuing to live in his present situation with Mary Rose. Who here today gives Gracie... Wait. There's some more
People coming.
Oh, okay. Oh, some more puppy dogs.
You can't stop the wind.
No.
That pause where it says, is there anyone here who has pause?
He's right on time. Remember, I get paid by the hour, so we gotta keep rolling here, folks. Who here gives grace to Pal today?
That
would be me. She's saying I do. Is there anyone present who feels this union should not happen? If so, speak now or forever hold their peace.
Possibly Booger objects.
So, playful and lovable pal, Kelsey, do you take Gracie Bathgate for your dog partner for the balance of your natural dog life? He agrees.
He nodded his head.
And Gracie Bathgate, do you take playful and lovable pal Kelsey for your dog partner for the balance of your natural life?
I do.
And then Gracie and Pal are now hereby joined forever in a dog relationship. Let's all clap to show that we agree with their decision. And now, Pal and Gracie, would you please come forward?
Come on, Ken.
Come on. A little more.
Oh, look at this.
Pal. Pal.
Come on.
Okay.
Food pal.
Okay, look. Pal.
Remember you had some right before you left the house. Okay. Put them on their
Okay.
snout.
Yeah. Pal, do you wish to give Gracie a lick? There you go. And Gracie, do you wish to give Pal a lick?
Puppy love.
I would like to thank all the dogs in attendance here. Oz is the best man, and we have over here, oh gosh, Daisy is the best woman, and all of the other attendants who were able to hear. The happy couple gives thanks to everyone for attending their happy occasion, and refreshments will now be served. Thank you, everyone.